What's up everyone, Luke here, and I am currently in Stresa, Italy, and it's beautiful here. I don't know if you can see the big lake down that way or not, or if the sun just completely glared out this video, but it's pretty cool. So we're down here in Stresa, and I firstly wanted to start off by saying thank you to everyone for your very kind messages that you sent me yesterday when I did an email out about how I've reached one of my dreams, and today I'm about to reach a second one. Yesterday I made it to the top of the Swiss Alps, which was absolutely amazing. If you ever get to Switzerland, please do it. And today I actually am having my family land here in Italy for our first overseas family holiday ever, which is pretty cool. Growing up, we've never been able to go on a holiday as a family, and I'm able to provide this for my family, which is, I get goosebumps every time I think about it. I wanted to say thank you to you guys. But in saying that as well, touching on what I said yesterday, a few years ago, that was only a dream. And yesterday when I was at the top of the Swiss Alps, I thought to myself, how has this dream become a reality? And the only way it became a reality was from setting goals and reaching those goals and putting active plans that I would attack each and every one of those goals. And when you attack enough goals and reach those goals, your dreams will come true. So I wanted to start that off again saying thank you once again, rehashing that into your minds about goals, and make sure you go and write down your goals right after this video. Now, what I also mentioned yesterday is I felt bad that I haven't done any review videos for you guys on different products and services that have been coming out into the market, because you know I love to do a good old review and saying if it's crap, if it's worth it, what are the positives, what are the negatives. There's been a lot of hype around this tool here that you can see in the background called Doodly, and I haven't actually used it yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this video now, we're going to start it, and then we're going to do our first try to make an actual whiteboard video. Now, what is a whiteboard video? A whiteboard video is basically a way where you can create sales videos or any type of video whatsoever without you needing to be on camera, and there'll actually be a hand that draws everything that you want it to draw. It's basically an explainer video. But often than not, these tools are very clunky, they're very hard to use, they don't work very well. You need specific types of images like vector images and stuff like that. But Doodly claims to get rid of all of those issues, but I wanted to go in and try it out and see how easy it is to do. So I'm going to take you guys on my first time using Doodly, and sorry if it's a bit noisy in the background. I'm next to a little road right here. So let's get started. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is follow exactly what the instructions say and create a new video. Pretty cool here, you can see they do whiteboard and blackboard. You never really see blackboard videos. I'm not any other explainer video software that I've ever used doesn't have the actual blackboard. So we'll start with whiteboard anyway. We'll try example 1. It says creating new video. Now I'm using this on my Mac. There is the Windows version as well, obviously. First impressions, looks pretty damn clean and simple to use. A bit of a timeline setting down here. Scene, so what scene do I want it to be set up with first? Let's just choose the first one. I'm gonna hit play. And so we can add characters. Amanda's presenting here. Oh, so that's kind of cool. You can move everything around and have her, maybe we'll have her next to the bed, a bit of a life-size. Let me play around with this for a bit and get some little scene up for you guys, and we'll see how we go from there. So I've taken about 60 seconds to create probably the fastest ever explain a video ever. There we go, finally got the words right. And this is it here. I've added in 2 different photos in PNG format. Again, this is one of the core benefits to this software, is that you're allowed to actually upload any photo and this software will draw it for you. So I really wanted to test that. Often you needed a vector image so you could actually upload it to these types of software, which sucked because no one uses vector images. pictures that you take like this, then they'll never be a vector image. A vector image basically means you can take that doodle, that drawing or whatever, and expand it as big as you want, as big as the moon if you wanted to, and it will never lose its pixels or whatever. So it won't ever pixelate. But obviously when you have camera photos, you can't actually go ahead and do that. So what I've done here is added in 2 photos to see how they would go here. I've added in a character, some other characters in here as well. And again, you can simply just upload any file you want. Very, very simply. After trialing this for a couple of minutes, it's very, very clear to use. They've also got different categories and stuff you can use here for that. You can add in props. Might even add in this Apple logo here somewhere. Make it a bit smaller. And what I'll do is after I've done this little demonstration here, I'll show you some ones that people have taken a bit more time to do. You can add in text, which I've done here, and you can add in sounds, and I've added in a nice background music here. So I don't know if you'll be able to hear the background music when I hit play now and I preview this, but you'll be able to see it actually display. So I'm going to hit preview, and we can see it happening right now. All right, cool. So you see how easy and quick that was to do. You can literally upload anything you want in here, create different scenes, as you'll see in the demo that I'll add in straight after this. Everything that I've used works perfectly fine. It's great that they have all this royalty-free music in here. That sounds very good in the background of explainer videos. You can add in your voiceovers here that you record if you want to do that. You can even go on sites like Fiverr.com and get someone to do a voiceover for your explainer video. Now you can use this not only for yourself, but for other people as well, and create videos for others, which is a very beneficial thing to do. The one, it's not a downfall or anything, but you do have to do work, and you do need to learn how to use this tool. You can see right now it's pretty damn easy to use. You can go through all the different collections, find different props and everything like that to add in, upload your own, and it will draw whatever you include. But again, it does take time to go in here and create your actual video. So it's not a done for you as in you can type in what you want and it's going to spit it out. But in saying that, if you're ever going to be creating a sales video, an explainer video, and you might not necessarily like to be on camera, this is a great way to do it because it allows you to automate it completely. I haven't gone through all the upsells. I've looked at the front end products here because that's what I normally like to judge my assessment on. You'll see the upsells when you go throughout the process. It's created by a guy called Jimmy Kim, who is a very good friend of mine, which is why I really wanted to check it out when I heard all the hype about it. His products are always top end quality, but I wanted just to make sure. The ability to add in your own actual call to actions is amazing. And again, for launch week, $67 for life. So if you're into video marketing, you're ever going to be doing any sort of sales video, I think this is a great little pickup for you guys to add in to your collection here. So I'll finish this video off here. I've got another one coming tomorrow, hopefully, if my hotel has good internet. If not, I'll be getting that done as soon as I can. But make sure you go check out this page. I'll put the link in the description below. It'll be the lowest price you'll ever be able to get it for, because in launch week, again, these when launches come, they make it a one-time offer or an irresistible price in launch week, because after launch week, the prices of these tools do go up. This has been the easiest explainer video software I've ever used. It's called Doodly. The link's below. Make sure to go check it out and let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.